Hey guys, welcome back to Juliette's Joie de Vivre. Thank you for checking today's video out. If you haven't seen the first part of this video of my backyard project, check that out because today we're finally digging in and diving in to do all the work. So let's get into it. So the first step actually was done by my husband Ryan, who last night was being so helpful and he scrubbed this whole patio deck area. So he got it all clean and ready to go so I can get into the work. Okay, so then now part two is where we're gonna be leveling out this patio deck area. So I'm gonna work with some concrete and just with a trowel and just smooth it all out. This tiling here, this tile detail, just on the bottom here that trims the patio. It's just not really my style, it's not really our style. So we just want to even it out, just make it flat. And then part three is when we put some paint on the deck. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so the tools that I'm working with is this trowel. I got a 12 by 4 inch trowel just to smooth and level it all out. Also got a smaller one to get around the little corners and crevices and just to make sure everything is get cleaned. So I got 2 of these. And for the concrete, I went with Here we go. I went with Quikrete. So the reason why I went with Quikrete is just because I like that it dries pretty quickly. It's supposed to dry in like 20 minutes and that works great for me because I have a toddler. So I don't want her running around here with something that has to take 24 hours or longer to dry. So this is supposed to be super quick and dries, and I hope it does what it says. Okay, so as far as mixing the cement goes, like the mixture is a 5-to-1 ratio. So I'm gonna do roughly about 5.5 or 5 cups of the cement to 1 part water. So I've just got this plastic bucket here that I'm working with and an old measuring cup that I'm no longer gonna use. Okay, so I've got the 5 cups of cement to 1 cup of water, and I've just gone ahead and dampened this area here where I'll be applying the cement to. So yeah, this is the consistency I've kind of been working with. So it's kind of like a gel-like consistency. Might take some of that. Come in for a closer look. So this is where I've started. Just smoothing that down there. But let me get back to it because this stuff does dry quick, so you gotta move fast, guys. Okay, so I'm finally done laying that cement. It actually worked out pretty good and I'm really loving the results. I did end up switching the cement I used over. You guys remember I started using Quikrete first. Ended up switching to Cementol, which was highly recommended when I went back to Home Depot because that tub was just not enough for the project I had. So I had to get more cement. And the guy recommended this other one called Cementol by Rapid Set, which I loved working with. It was just better to work with. It was smooth. It was just easier to work with. Okay, so here is the first bag with the Quikrete. So that's how that turned out here. It's not too bad, but I'm just really loving in comparison to, let's show you over here. Turn down that light. So this is with the Cementol. I'm just loving the results so much better. It just looks smoother and just looks like a little bit more unison. So I definitely really do recommend the Cementol over the Quikrete. It is a hot day today, and being preggers, it just makes it like 10 times hotter. I'm so out of breath all the time too. Okay, so the cement is looking good. We're ready to go with the cement. It's looking good to go. I'm just gonna sweep up some of the leftover cement and little debris here and there and apply some paint. Yeah. Here we are. Whew, loving the color, my goodness. It's work. Still gotta do all there in that patio, but that's for another day. Okay, so this is the paint that I used. It's a porch and patio floor paint. Just got it from Home Depot. I think the brand there is Behr. I don't know how to say that. Behr. Anyways, and the color I got it in is light rattan. So there you have it. And the number, if you need it, is right here. I'm not too sure. The PFC 27. And you can see the code right there. If you guys want to screenshot that, that's just that color I used.